Hey laser lovers, welcome back to Extra More Creations. I hope you all had a great Christmas. It was absolutely crazy here. I have 5 kids and right from the get-go this morning, just nothing but pure madness. That's what it's all about. It was a lot of fun and I hope you and your family had a great day. You get to see all your families, and so I know there's a lot going on. And I don't know how much you guys travel and stuff like that. So I hope you were able to all get together, and big Merry Christmas from my family to your family. And if you got some Xtool and you're tuning in, thanks a lot. There's lots of cool videos. Check through. I haven't even uploaded my unboxing video. I still want to upload my unboxing video. That was a big video and I haven't gone back and edited it yet, and it's always a lot of things to do. It's hard to keep up with everything, but I do love sharing all the fun stuff and all the cool things I like to do here with the S1. With that being said, I do have another laser coming next week. I'm supposed to be getting a laser from another company, and I'm going to be doing some reviews with it. I'm not going to reveal the name yet, but it's a dual laser. It has diode and fiber, so once I have it in hand, stuff like that, I'll do a big reveal. I'm going to be doing some reviews, some how-tos with it, some free projects. Don't worry, my Xtool S1 is still going to be the #1, but when that one comes along, I'm going to be tuning into that. I definitely want to check out the power of the fiber. I don't have fiber. I love it. It doesn't have as big of a surface, and it's portable and stuff like that. That's really cool. I do want to be able to like go to shows, take it, set it up. We got the jackery, so that's great. There's no power there. Some of the bigger shows, you have a booth, so you can set up. That's easy. Plug into the wall. I'm not too sure. And when I get it, I even have materials and stuff like that coming with it, so that'll be cool. Again, I hope you guys all had a really awesome Christmas. Hope you did get some awesome laser stuff. I hope you got the laser you wanted, the attachments that you needed, and all that stuff. I got a cool decoration. I already have, plus the kids. I got a few cool decorations and stuff like that. I don't know if any of you guys have seen these before. I have one in my house. This one's blue, and I'm gonna put it up on my wall here. And they're really cool. You spin it, and this one has a background with the moon and the sky and the water, and then you flip that and the sand will slowly, I have one going in my living room that's stuck right there, and it can go for 2 days, it can go for an hour, it really depends. We kind of have like a challenge, see who can spin it, make it go the longest and stuff like that. I think the record now is, I feel like it got stuck and it went for like 2-3 days or something like that. So those are really cool. Awesome gift anyway. I'd love to be able to make my own, and you never know, might be able to. The mind is always, got ADHD, so the mind is always spinning, making some cool stuff. I'll be in here for a little while tonight now that everybody's settled down, gone to bed, and be messing around here. Again, a big Merry Christmas from Extra More Creations. Thanks a lot for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And as always, keep your laser focused and stay creative. Peace out.